Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing the topic that is city creation. In this we are discussing that how basically Microsoft is creating 1 lakh sand basically, which is informed by the University of Oxford basically. How basically the University of Oxford basically groups are keeping control of each and every objects basically. So they contacted to Sanskrit department and Tamil department. Then how basically 10 crore people came extra here basically. They were not able to track also basically. They were not able to track also. But the energy basically department, that was nuclear power company basically, they tracked this, that they basically told this information to the nuclear power company that suddenly some disease has generated into the environment. Due to that basically lots of people basically are getting ill basically. So this is I'm talking about when corona basically not started also, just basically entered. So he told that yes, here basically. From where basically this was generated? That basically we basically are tracking it basically, but according to the World Health Organization, our data is also basically matching. Our data is also matching basically. Then he told that how basically, because we have taken the parameters basically that we have 22 blood groups only. According to that, the data basically are matching basic. But suddenly 10 crore people came, that nuclear company also basically was not able to track. Why? Because they are only sending the people energy to the each and every people basically, which is connected with the World Health Organization basically, which are telling that basically this is the population. According to that basically we have created the human needs basically, that is the tomato and potato creation basically. So in but potato creation also basically, single potato creation basically, which has happened in this world basically, that is also connected with the future, current population basically. So you can just imagine the dangerous thing basically world is. One of the satellite groups told that basically yes basically we are controlling it, so we are handling it also. That's why few people told that basically we have actually separated the 11 parts also basically of the world here basically. In this basically Asia land is one of the land basically, that we have already discussed lots of things basically, and we are going to discuss that also basically. So one of the person told that yes basically, yeah. So from where basically the 10 crore people basically came basically, that was the question basically. That was not able to track to the nuclear power company also. Then they are not able to track by the not able to track by the World Health Organization also basically. So lots of basically people basically started doing meeting basically from where this 10 crore came, from where basically this 10 crore people came here basically, because our calculation basically say that basically each and every human needs basically which we have created, that is basically from current population. So that was basically surprising basically answer given by the Oxford group also basically. They contacted to the Sanskrit department and Tamil group basically. They also don't know basically from where this 10 crore people basically came. Why? Because they contacted to the nuclear power company basically. In this world basically how many nuclear power companies, that basically everybody knows. Then he told that yes, because they don't have also data basically. If they have the data, exact data, then basically they might have tracked the disease long before basically. They also basically what not, they means their system basically, that is computer system basically, which is connected with long before basically the IBM group is there, Microsoft groups are basically there, COBOL groups are there. These all are connected basically with the connected with the big software companies basically, connected with the big softwares basically, that is basically in the nuclear power company basically, which tracks each and every population basically. They are sending the data to each and every people basically. Like this basically they are telling that basically current population is this, and according to that basically we have given data to the each and every human creation factories basically, so that they can produce the factories, not producing the factories, they can produce the human needs basically according to the current population and data basically which is given by the human nuclear power company according to the current population. Each and every data basically which is given by the nuclear power company to factories, that was according to the current population only basically. So one of the person told that yes basically. So assume that basically from other countries or from other area basically, that is basically from, assume that basically from other planets or basically from other area basically they came, and suddenly basically the miscalculation of population basically happened, and that was not able to track by the system also. That was not able to track by the system also basically. So you can just imagine basically the things basically. So sudden, due to that basically one of the person told that yeah, this thing was new actually, that one potato or basically one tomato or basically one onion basically which is getting created, that is also current population basically. Then into the yes basically, that was actually new for us basically, that current population is connected with the human needs. So one of the person told that each and every human needs or water everything basically. Then he told that yes basically, water also basically. Each and every fruit basically which is getting created, that also basically. Fruit basically, how many days basically it will exist basically. For example, if you are preparing one banana basically, it will stay for 1 week basically if you are keeping in the particular storage basically. If you are having apple basically, then it will stay for 2 weeks basically, not more than that basically. Then into that yes, yeah basically you are correct. So current human needs basically which is getting into the market and which is having by the people basically, that is directly connected with the population. That is the World Health Organization population number basically, that is 900 crore. So World Health Organization basically say that basically this is the current population and you can prepare the each and every human needs basically from according to this population basically. And directly factory basically don't connect with the population connected with the health organization. The nuclear power company health department basically are there, they basically connects with the database. And in this basically one of the person told that basically the ISRO and NASA also basically was not able to track. Then they told that basically they are also basically getting the data only basically. According to that only basically they are doing the future creation. And one of the future creation was human needs basically, that is potato creation, tomato creation, which is connected with the current population basically. So one of the person told that basically even the earthquake system was also not able to track basically that what is the population of current basically. Then it was that no, yeah, the earthquake department also was not able to track that suddenly basically 10 crore population basically came from somewhere basically. They also basically was not able to track basically. That suddenly basically population got increased basically. That was basically how basically that happened. Yeah, basically. That was very like this basically, the data basically connected. That was shocking basically. That suddenly basically how basically the population increased basically. See basically. So see basically the earthquake basically. So the earthquake department, that is contact us. They are telling that contact us basically. So and they are giving the address also. And in the address is France. And it's written, I think it's in English or France. This word is I think not English. But France is in English. This all basically connected to the France language. Center is English. This is also English. This is also English. This is also not English. This is English. Then this is English. This is English. So this group also basically was not able to track basically. So all basically started basically thinking, yeah, we have to do meeting basically.